Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to give a major update on the 67 Giulia Sprint GT. Let's get started. All right, guys. We've done a lot of work on the car. Let's start around the outside of the car. Again, all the chrome, everything's done. I've got all the headlights working. We're going to show you that. I've got to put some bulbs in that side. I think it's the blinker or something. Anyway, we'll figure that out. Let's just go ahead and get the lights on so you can see that. So we'll get the lights on here. So there you go. Let's get our high beams on so you can see that. You'll see the movement. Oh, those are low beams, excuse me, high beams. Low beams, high beams. So low beams here. There you go. All that looks good. Let's go to the back of the car. We got our tail lights on. Our tag lights are there. That's there. I know the reverse light does work. I just have it unplugged because I want to reroute it to keeping it away from touching anything. Let's see here. Let's turn the lights off. Let's see the blinker. You can see, of course, blinking there. Let's walk around. So this is the passenger blinker. Move this up. Oops. Side marker in the front. I think I do not have a bulb on the driver's side. I've got to get that, but let me show you. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so there's the blinker there. There's the side marker, blinker, and then I just got to get the bulb for that one. I thought I had enough, but I did not. So we'll turn that off. All right. Let's see. At the end of the video, we'll show you the car outside, cranked, going back and forth on the driveway. I guess I'll just go forward and backwards or what have you and go from there. I've got to get a different battery. This is not the right battery. This is just one that I had sitting in my engine stand, but we'll get the proper, I think it's a 34 or 32. Anyway, we'll get that. Brand new radiator here, as you can see, hose, everything. Hoses are brand new. All the hoses are new. Let's see, got everything is working. The brakes, as you'll see, the car will stop, of course, and all that. We'll get up underneath the car so you can see everything there, the exhaust and all that fun stuff. And then our next video after all this, I think what I'm going to do is get the other window in. I'll show you that one over there and get the trim in and then start trimming up with the new gaskets. I've got brand new gaskets. Everything's new. Everything pretty much is new. Here's the quarter window here. That's in there. Nice and neat. Got one little paint chip. That'll be airbrushed in and fixed. It'll be great. The glass fell down on it. It's crazy. And then I think once we do that, then we're going to get the windows done, doors on, so on and so forth. All right, let me get the car up on the lift, and we will show you up underneath the car, and then I think that will be it. All right, up underneath the car. Now, this motor has been running for a long time today, been adjusting carburetors and all that. Still got a little bit more to adjust. No oil leaks on the pan. Nothing running down. Looking good. Let me get these out of the way. Come this way. Get the brakes in. Clutch. You'll see it move. Let's see, of course, your battery cable, everything's on the transmission. Got the exhaust is in, as you can see. Very good, out of the way. There we go. So coming down here, No leaks that it looks that I can see, which is good. So we got that. Come back around this way. There's the other muffler. All this is new, guys. The muffler's new. Everything is new. The smaller muffler, tank. Nothing's leaking at all. Brakes seem to be doing good. Well, I've been on. Well, you'll be able to see that I've been just on the lift, so we'll take it off the lift here in a second. Let's come back around again. We got everything. I've got to get. That's right. I forgot about that. I've got to get a plate here. I can't find it. It may be in a box over there. I just got to get through it. So I got to remind myself to do that. So that's the only thing there that's missing. Oh, drive shaft. Mike Bessick sent me a rebuilt one, completely rebuilt. All new U-joints, new bearings. Everything is completely replaced, guys. Everything on it. Even the mounts for the muffler, they're all brand new. No leaking on the differential at all. Nothing. I don't even see that it's weeping any or anything like that. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So we're well on our way to getting this thing finished. Oh yeah, got new heat shields here. Brand new heat shields. So those are in place as well. So yeah, so let's get the car off the lift. Let me show you it moving backwards and forwards. So we'll bring it back down again, and then we'll wrap this update video, wrap it up. All right, guys, this isn't a cold start, but I will go ahead and get it cranked. As you can see, the car has been pulled out on its own free will. So let me get it cranked, and then we'll kind of show you it moving around here in the driveway. All right. Working on the temperature gauge. For some reason not working. I don't know if I got a bad sender unit, but we look good there. We're running about at 1,000 RPMs. Good oil pressure at idle, fuel. All right, I'm gonna hand this over to Parker and just back up some. Parker's gonna back it up. I'm just gonna make sure you get the whole car. And it stops, first gear. One more time. So there you have it. I'll grab the camera and show you. So she is running about 1,000 RPMs. I've got brand new radiator in it. Car, I haven't hooked up the air box, the plenum yet. It's still sitting on the GTV. Right now I've just got a rudimentary gauge on, just to temperature gauge to check it. The fan works, the heat works, so I'll draw that in. I'll bleed the system out here in a few. I've only got distilled water in it right now because I didn't want to start finding a bunch of leaks or have to drain it or whatever. So I got a fan shroud that'll go over that, the metal one. We're almost really now at the point of finishing putting her back together. So she's close. Right there. I got to adjust the carbs. I think she may be running just a little rich. Not quite sure, but we'll give her a little tap of the gas. Nothing smoking. So just really got to adjust the carbs and go from there. So we're getting close. All right, guys, so there you have it. Got the car back up on the lift. I think we're done for today. So you saw all the updates on it. So we started on the car itself, the engine and all that came up underneath the car, brought the car outside so you could see it move back and forth on the driveway. So we got that done. So the car is moving. The brakes are working great. All the lights are working. Everything's working on the car. Got to figure out the temperature gauge. I think I may have a bad sending unit. I bought 2 sending units from Centerline Alfa, but I'm not quite sure those are the right ones. So I got to figure that out. Anyway, anybody know a way to test the sending unit? Please comment below. Other than that, I think we're good. So that was a huge update. It's been a little while since I've had an update on the car, but major milestones from exhaust to some trim to engine being installed to car moving backwards and forwards all on its own. The clutch seems pretty good. Brand new clutch as well, right? So yeah, so the next video, I think we're going to work more on the trim. And I did adjust the carbs some more, so I think we're running a little bit better. I want to get an AFR monitor on it and make sure that we're good to go. I just want to watch the mixtures and make sure we're not lean or too lean, or make sure we're not too rich, to make sure we're just kind of sitting right there in the center. So anyway, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell. It helps the channel out. Once we're finished with this one, don't forget, we got a green one to do, the 72 GTV. All right, guys, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. Till the next video, God bless.